You ever wake up and feel just as tired as when you went to bed? Like you technically slept 7 or 8 hours, but your body's like, nice try, we're still exhausted. Yeah, same. The truth? It's probably not about how long you sleep. It's about how well. And a lot of us, especially students, are unknowingly wrecking our sleep before we even hit the pillow. So if you're tired all the time, struggling to focus, and your grades are slipping, let's talk about 5 night habits that might be the real problem, and more importantly, how to fix them. 1. Doom scrolling before bed. You know that thing where you say, I'll just check Instagram for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 1:42 a.m.? Yeah, that. It's called doom scrolling, endlessly consuming content without realizing how much time has passed. But here's the bigger issue. Your brain is not meant to go from scrolling chaos to peaceful sleep in 30 seconds. All that bright light, drama, FOMO, and random content overload stimulates your brain, not calms it. Fix. Try a 30-minute no-screen rule before bed. Read a book. Journal. Stretch. Just let your mind slow down. Give your brain a chance to say, okay, time to rest. 2. Late-night snacking, especially junk food. I get it. Midnight snacks hit different. But if you're eating pizza, chips, or instant noodles at 11:30 p.m., your body's working hard to digest, not relax. Certain foods, especially spicy, greasy, or sugary stuff, spike your energy and mess with sleep quality. You might fall asleep, but your body's low-key like, bro, I'm still trying to process that hot Cheetos bag. Fix. If you have to eat late, go for something light. A banana, Greek yogurt, almonds. Even better, finish eating at least 2 hours before bed. Give your body time to settle down. 3. Using bright lights until bedtime. Your brain has a clock, the circadian rhythm, and it listens to light. When it's dark, your body produces melatonin, the sleepy hormone. But when you're blasting ceiling lights and phone screens at night, your brain gets confused. It's like, is it daytime? Should we be alert right now? That's why you lie in bed tired but somehow can't fall asleep. Fix. Start dimming down your environment about an hour before bed. Turn off overhead lights. Use warm lamps or dimmed lighting. And if you can, turn on night shift blue light filter on your devices. Let your body know it's wind down time. 4. Doing homework or stressing right before bed. Okay, this one hurts because most of us leave assignments until 10 p.m. But doing high-focus tasks right before sleep is like hitting the gas pedal before trying to park. Your brain stays in go-go-go mode, even when you want it to shut off. And the worst part? Lying in bed thinking about everything you didn't finish, or everything that's due tomorrow. Fix. Set a mental cutoff time. Maybe 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. After that, no schoolwork. Use the last hour to slow your thoughts. Do something relaxing, brainless, or comforting. It'll help your brain shift gears from productivity to peace. 5. Inconsistent sleep schedule. This is the silent killer of student sleep. One night you sleep at 10 p.m., the next night, 3 a.m., then 1 a.m. Then you try to catch up with a 12-hour sleep on Sunday. Your body has no idea what's happening, and that inconsistency makes every night feel worse. Even if you sleep enough hours, your internal clock is out of sync. That's why you wake up groggy, or crash mid-afternoon, or feel wide awake at midnight. Fix. Start with this rule. Try to sleep and wake within the same 1-hour window every day. So if your goal is midnight, 8 a.m., try not to stray far from it, even on weekends. It doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent enough to help your body trust you again. So what now? Look, you don't have to overhaul your entire life tonight. Just pick one habit, one small change, and try it out for the next 7 days. Maybe it's turning off your phone 30 minutes earlier. Maybe it's dimming your room after 10 p.m. or swapping that 11 p.m. instant ramen for a banana. Whatever it is, your sleep will thank you, and so will your focus, your mood, your grades, your sanity. Because when you start sleeping better, everything else gets better too. Sleep isn't lazy, it's your secret weapon. So protect it like your future depends on it. Because honestly, it kinda does. Like plus subscribe if you're ready to sleep like a champ. Like comment below which habit you're gonna break first.